Hey RAV4 owners, today we're going to upgrade the interior lighting on this Toyota RAV4 with 2 LED light kits. For about $60 and an hour of your time, you'll get lights that are not only brighter, but also more energy efficient than the stock halogen bulbs. First, I'm going to show you how to install these easily into your RAV4, then I'll give my honest opinion if they're worth it or not. Everything mentioned in this video can be found in the description box below, and before we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe for more awesome RAV4 content. So let's jump right into the installation. The first kit includes replacements for the map lights, dome light, vanity mirror lights, trunk cargo lights, and license plate lights. Altogether, we've got 8 LED bulbs. They're plug and play, which means no complicated wiring or modifications. Plus, this kit is 300% brighter than stock lights. This kit also comes with an installation tool and a placement guide, so it's super straightforward. Let's start with the map lights. First, we'll swap out the map lights using the included plastic tool. Gently pry off the cover. Once the cover is off, carefully remove the old halogen bulbs and replace it with one of the new LEDs. These are polarity sensitive, so if it doesn't work when you turn it on, just flip the bulb around. Next, let's move on to the dome light. This is just as easy as the map lights. Use a plastic tool to pop off the cover, remove the old bulb, and snap the new LED in. Once again, if the LED doesn't light up, try flipping it to make sure the polarity is correct. The vanity mirror lights are next. These small bulbs are located behind the covers on your sun visors. Pop the cover off, replace the old bulbs with the new LEDs, and snap everything back into place quick and easy. Now let's move to the cargo area. These lights are super important for visibility when loading up your trunk. Again, just pop off the cover, swap the bulb, and you're done. The LEDs are 300% brighter than your old lights, making it easier to see everything in the trunk, especially at night. Finally, let's replace the license plate lights. My 2021 RAV4 already came with LEDs, so I'm unable to replace mine. But this is how you'd access yours if yours came with the halogen bulbs. First, pop off the back panels of the trunk door. This will allow you to reach the proper screws that access the license plate lights. Once the screws are out, you can pop off the cover to the lights. These lights are easy to overlook, but upgrading to LEDs gives the rear of your car a modern, clean look. Tighten the screws back and you're good to go. Now for the second kit. We're installing the cargo LED lights. These lights install directly into the trunk ceiling and are perfect for fully illuminating your cargo space. First, we'll need to remove a section of the door gasket at the top of the hatch to access the headliner. Gently pull the headliner down just enough to route the power cable under it, towards the right side of the car. We're going to run this cable down and behind the trim panels toward the existing light. Now take the other end of the cable and route it through the left rubber tube that runs between the door frame and the hatch. Be sure to avoid the right tube since it's used for the rear windshield washer. Once the cable is through, connect it to the provided plastic connector, ensuring the red and white wires match up. Now that we've routed the power cable, it's time to install the new cargo lights. These lights will replace the existing access panels on the inside of the rear hatch. The best part about these cargo lights is that once installed, the lights will automatically turn on when the hatch is raised and turn off when it's closed. How convenient is that? There's also a switch on the face of the lights in case you want to turn them off manually. With everything installed, it's time to test the lights. As you can see, the cargo area is now fully illuminated. These lights are bright enough to cover the entire trunk space, and the best part is, no cutting or complicated wiring was required. The OEM light bulbs are notoriously dim, so these upgrades make it much more functional, especially at night. All in all, it took me about an hour to install all of these lights. The first kit we installed is also under $20. The cargo light kit runs for just over $40, but with the auto on-off feature and extra brightness, I find it's definitely worth it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember, everything in this video is linked in the description box down below. And then, if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below, or you can check us out at RAV4resource.com. We also have an active Facebook group linked below. And lastly, consider joining our free newsletter mailing list. It's currently enjoyed by nearly 7,000 other readers. You can sign up for that over at RAV4resource.com. So, until next time.